We all want to go big, then.
Hi guys, so we have a drop from Mattel Toys. It's WWE Wrekkin Slam and Spin ATV vehicle. So I'm gonna unbox this now and just see what's inside. Isa! Isa's inside the box. So Isa's gonna help me to unbox this. Why don't you try and open this? Okay.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up. Okay, so it's WWE Big E. So it's Wrekkin Slam and Spin ATV. Yeah. Yeah. Isa's a big wrestler. So there's Big E. Okay, so let's open it up.
Okay.
Where do we open it?
Okay.
No, I think let's try and does that help you?
No, I can get the scissors. Thank you.
Okay.
So let me open it.
Let you open it. No, let's do it like this. So
Actually, take that part. Oh no.
okay, right. I think there's something at the back here. Let's just do this.
Yeah. So easy.
Okay, and then
Let's just do this.
wait, don't cut it.
You want to?
Let's just cut it here. Okay. That's out. And then
Wait. Hello? I think there's something at the back. Wait.
okay, that's it.
Hold on.
Just tell me where it is, then I'll help you.
So I think I can take it out. No, it's fine. It's fine. Just wait. Let me take this, and then let me cut. Here. No. Here. Here.
Okay, so that is, let's just look at it.
Wait.
So this is Big E, and this is his, oh, he's still strapped here.
Okay, I can do that.
No, you don't just have to take it off. It's easy. Okay. There you go.
Yeah. So. Ooh, his hands cannot come off. Let's see something. Show something on the. On here. If something can come on. Wait. Okay, that will have to go here, right? And there. Right. Underneath.
So
What's this do? What's this?
that's what we're gonna see now. So this is this is
what I found.
okay.
Okay. I'm walking. Yeah.
Okay, put him here.
Okay. Let me.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Okay.
Look, there's a thing held.
The wheels are so cool. Oh. It's cool. That's cool.
So you're gonna check this out, and you can take all these things off, put them back on. You can just like seriously break it, wreck it. These are all the different things you can do
Wait,
with
does
it.
this come off?
Yeah, everything's okay. Okay, so Issa's gonna have some fun with this. Just wrecking it and then rebuilding it and then just playing with Big E. And yeah, check out the rest of our reviews, our unboxing videos, our everything that iloveza.com does.
It shows something. It shows P for park.
And visit our website www.iloveza.com. Also check us out on social media. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Hashtag iloveza. Hashtag after Fajr grind. And I'm Ziyaad, and this is Isa, and we love
City.
We out.